seat. It's amazing to be here. Finally, right? Finally. This was definitely a fucking must on the tour stop. You guys know we've been chatting back and forth for years. Emails, I know, I've gotten them, I've read them all. Dane, fucking come to Philly. I said, not till it's time, not till it's fucking time. And you know what? It's time. It's time. I'm always chatting, you know, I'm on MySpace, so I'm always chatting back and forth with you guys on MySpace. And then lately everybody's like, no, dude, you gotta fucking switch over to Facebook. You gotta go to Facebook. So I can tell you guys right now, I tried, I don't like it. I don't like Facebook. I mean, it's weird. I'm not having a good experience. The other day I was poked by a zombie. I don't even know what the fuck that means. I don't like that though. Then he bought me a drink. What the hell is going on there? Why are zombies poking me and buying me beverages? But it's great to be here. I guess I'm supposed to